Rice is the seed of grass Oryza sativa. As a cereal grain, it is the most widely consumed in the world. Rice may be different color. Strain of rice: white, brown, red, and black or purple. Brown rice is a whole grain rice. White rice is the same grain but has the hull, bran layer, and cereal germ removed. Red rice, gold rice, and black rice, also called purple rice, are all whole rices, but with differently pigmented outer layers. The varieties of rice are typically classified as long, medium, and short-grained. Long grain rice, high in amylose, tend to remain intact after cooking. Medium grain rice, high in amylopectin, becomes more sticky. A stickier medium grain rice is used for sushi. Medium grain rice is also used for sweet dishes. Short grain rice is often used for rice pudding. Sometimes rice is rinsed before cooking to remove excess starch. Rice which is fortified with vitamins and minerals, during rinsing will loss of nutrients. Rice may be rinsed repeatedly until the rinse water is clear to improve the texture and taste. Rice may be soaked to decrease cooking time, may be soaked for 30 minutes up to several hours. Brown rice may be soaked in warm water for 20 hours to stimulate germination. It activates enzymes and enhances amino acids including gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA acts at inhibitory synapses in the brain. Rice commonly is cooked by boiling with the absorption method. Rice may be cooked in a volume of water equal to the volume of dry rice plus any evaporation losses. Cooked white rice is composed of 68% water, 28% carbohydrates, 3% protein, and negligible fat. A 100 gram contains 130 kilocalories. Contains moderate amounts of B vitamins, iron, and manganese, 10 to 17% daily value. No other micronutrients in significant amounts. Dietary fiber: white cooked rice 0.4 grams. Brown cooked rice has 2 grams fiber. Health effects. Early research shows that eating a specific type of brown rice called glutinous or sticky brown rice can help with blood glucose control in people with type 2 diabetes. However, regular brown rice does not have the same benefit. Cooked rice can be toxic, contain Bacillus cereus spores, which produce an emetic toxin when left at 4 to 60 degrees Celsius. When storing cooked rice for use the next day, rapid cooling is advised to reduce the risk of toxin production. Enterotoxins produced by Bacillus cereus is heat resistant. Reheating contaminated rice kills the bacteria, but does not destroy the toxin already present.